How to get your Facebook QR code. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to get your Facebook QR code so you can easily share your profile with others by simply scanning it. This is super convenient way to share your Facebook profile without having to type in your username or link. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you have opened the app, simply tap on the search icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. Now here, simply tap on the search bar and search for QR code. And now here at the search page, simply tap on QR code which can be seen at the top. And now here, once you see the interface like this, here you can see two tabs at the top. So simply tap on my code tab and here you can see your Facebook QR code. Now if you want to save, you can either take screenshot or share it directly with friends. Just tap on share icon and after that you can share it with your friends or anywhere in the social handles that you want to share. And that's it. That's how you can get Facebook QR code. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.